Hey everyone, if you're using the Gamma app for creating presentations, you might have noticed a watermark appearing on your exported slides. Gamma prompts you to upgrade to remove it, which of course costs money. But don't worry, I've found a quick, easy, and free way to get rid of that watermark. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Canva. Start by opening the Canva app. From the homepage, select the Presentation option. Step 2. Upload your Gamma file. Click on Upload Files and upload the PPT file you downloaded from Gamma. Step 3. Access your project. On the left side panel, go to Projects, then open the presentation you just uploaded. Step 4. Remove the watermark. Go through each slide and find the Gamma AI watermark. Click on it and simply delete it. Step 5. Export your clean presentation. Once you're done removing all watermarks, click the Share button. Choose Download. Set the file type to .pptx. Then click Download. And that's it. Your presentation is now watermark-free. I hope this helped you remove the Gamma watermark easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.